The member for Tangney.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Last night on Lateline, Tom Burbidge, the Lockheed Martin head of the Joint Strike Fighter program, showed a total indifference to what is real and either misrepresented or worse, lied about various aspects of the project. First of all, he was talking about the cost of the project, realising that cost is merely one of the aspects used to build up the price. Now, Tom Burbidge said that in Australia we would get JSFs for $60 million. Now, quite frankly, if he thinks we can get a JSF for $60 million, I say to the Australian government, buy the things, buy 100, it'll only cost us $6 billion, and then we can spend the rest of the $9 billion or $10 billion to get to the $16 billion total to buy some real capability that we need. To give you some idea of how fanciful this number is, 24 Super Hornets cost us $3.2 billion, or $150 million per aeroplane. He talks about concurrency, doing the development at the same time as actually building production aircraft as being cost-effective. This is something that is out of the trees. I mean, car manufacturers who have a far better handle on things, and cars are nowhere near as advanced as this, they run the prototypes before they put the items into production. Burbidge also talks about 4,000 to 5,000 aircraft. This is fanciful stuff. There are about 2,400 currently proposed, and nations like the Netherlands are pulling out of initial operational test and evaluation. He admitted that the earliest the aircraft would be in Australia is 2018. How's this giving us the capability we require? The performance of this aircraft is a dog. He is betting on a revolution that aerodynamic performance, speed, what's called energy manoeuvrability no longer counts. Well, this has been bet on numerous times in the past, and every time that the reality of warfare has come to bite, it's been found that the fundamentals are important. This aircraft isn't a true fifth-generation aircraft. It doesn't have super cruise or the ability to cruise supersonically without using afterburner, and it certainly doesn't have super agility. It's not even as agile as current fourth-generation aircraft. He didn't deny that the competition flies higher, faster, and can outturn and outrun the Joint Strike Fighter. He tried to say that they're only pictures of the competition. Well, the PAC-FA, the F-22 equivalent, which is far better than the JSF, is in flight test. The House Armed Services Committee has put budgetary requirements on the program to actually meet timelines in order to get full funding. And what has happened? The Defence Secretary has said it makes the program undeliverable. If anyone wants to find out any more about this, I suggest that they go to the Air Power Australia website.
Time has expired.